Welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 outfit ideas on how to spice up a plain t-shirt. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This is outfit number 1. In this outfit, I'm wearing this plain gray t-shirt from Garage, this black fluffy jacket from Garage, some plain black pants with a scrunchie from Garage, and then this necklace from my cousin and a ring that my sister made in woodwork once. My tip number 1 is if you're wearing a plain shirt, to add texture to that outfit. So obviously in this outfit I added a fluffy jacket, and I feel like it brings the outfit together when you add something unique like this. I also like adding little accessories on the outfit like a scrunchie, a ring, a necklace, or putting your hair up or something. So that is tip number 1. Outfit number 2. So I think this one is my favorite outfit. I'm wearing this black shirt with this Champion jacket, which I got from the thrift store for $10, and it's like pretty cute. And then I'm wearing these camo pants, which I got from Costco a couple years ago. This necklace, which I got from my grandma, and then this ring, which is from Mexico. My tip number 2 is to have a pattern with your plain shirt, because having a plain shirt, the pattern really sticks out, but it brings the whole outfit together to have a plain shirt, because you need something like rounded, I feel like, to like hold the outfit together. This is outfit number 3, and in this outfit I'm wearing this plain gray t-shirt, which is from I don't know where, and then this jacket is from Blue Notes, and these pants are from Old Navy, and this isn't helpful, but I'm wearing this butterfly necklace, which is from my grandma. Outfit is more chill, but it's still put together, and my tip for this outfit is to put a pop of color with your plain shirt, because the pop of color will really stand out, and against like a plain t-shirt I feel like it looks really good, and my hair's kind of covering it, but yeah, I'm wearing red. Outfit number 4. So this is the 4th outfit, and I'm wearing this flannel, which is from Blue Notes, this white shirt from H&M, these black pants, which are from Old Navy, this necklace from my grandma, ring from I don't even know where, and then this bracelet thing I'm wearing is from Ardene's surprise pack, I think. So in this outfit, the tip I have, I guess, I didn't actually have like a real tip, but then I thought about it and I was like, actually I kind of do, so I guess I do have a tip. The tip in this outfit is to accessorize, so I'm wearing like the necklace, the ring, and the ankle majig thing. Yeah. It's like kind of pretty though. Hey. Yeah. My second tip for this outfit is contrast. So I'm wearing a white shirt and this dark green flannel and like black pants, and I think it really pops this plain shirt, and I do have some pattern going on and accessories, and together it just brings this outfit. It's really raining outside, and I feel like all of that stuff together, it like brings this outfit together and looks really nice together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button down below. It would mean so much to me if you subscribed, and also comment down below what I should do for my next videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys!